This tutorial will guide you how to use free download manager on your Android phone. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now also open the free download manager. It will look like this. Now you can see now download list is empty. They tell you add new download URL. Now the easiest way to use this, just make sure to select the three dots, the three lines here, the top left corner, and then select on browser. Now on browser here, make sure to paste the download page. So if you do have the download page, you can copy it on anywhere, then make sure to paste it. Now also paste, I'm going to show you the example. I'm going to download Telegram from this download page here. So just select go to visit this page here. Now you can see this is the download page for Telegram. So I'll select download Telegram. Now you can see the download has started. Now what you need to do, just select here download. So it will tell you now you can choose where to save. I've choose to save in my internal shared storage on the download section, and the file name is this one. So I'll select here download. Now you can see right now the download has started, providing high download speed. So that's how you can use free download manager on your Android phone. It's very easy. You just need to select the three lines here, the top left corner, select the browser, paste the download page that you want to download, and then make sure to select download, and the download will start like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.